Hi, in this video we're going to show you another way to add the Quick Launch toolbar to Windows 11. So we have another video where we used a program called Explorer Patcher, which was free to help give us our functionality back so we could add the Quick Launch toolbar back to Windows 11. But that gave you kind of a Windows 10 look, so if you're not into that and you're trying to want to keep the Windows 11 theme going, you can try this other program. It's called Start All Back. So it's $5 and it gives you a 100-day free trial, but it does a lot of other cool stuff. So we have a video on that showing you what it does, so you can check that out. I'll put a link in the description. So I have it installed here. You can see that I still have the Windows 11 looking taskbar. You could even do things like center it if you want. And one cool thing, which is one of the best parts about it, is it gives the opportunity to get rid of the combined taskbar items. So let's say you have like 3 Word documents open, and then you click or hover over it, you'll have 3 separate windows here, but they'll all be down in one, so you could turn that off here like you can in Windows 10. All right, so if you want to check that out, just check out the video and see what it does. But for now, we're just going to close it up here. Now, to get the Quick Launch toolbar, we just need to do the same thing where we take this path here and we copy it. And what you might want to do is get rid of any of these Windows 11 like chat things or search, because they're going to get in the way of it. You can always add them back later. So to do that, you could right-click and you'd have taskbar settings. But since I have this update here, or new taskbar, or old taskbar I should say, I'm going to have to go to the settings over here, go to personalization, taskbar. I can just turn these off for now. All right, so I'm going to right click, toolbars, new toolbar, paste this in here, click on Quick Launch, select folder, and now I have it down here. Then you could just right click here, get rid of show title, and get rid of show text. You have to make sure you click on the right spot there. And now I can kind of drag it along here and kind of reconfigure things by dragging around. So now you can see I have my Quick Launch items here, and I could just, customize them by dragging them around here. Or if I don't want something in there, I could just delete it. And if I want to drag something else in there, I could do that. So that gives you the functionality back. So let's see what happens if we add these other guys back here from the default taskbar items here. So if you want the search item back, let's say, and you want the chat item back, you got them there. But it looks like they're going to have to stay on the left-hand side, so it's up to you if you want to use those or not. Anyways, okay, so I'll put a link for this. Or not a link, but I'll copy and paste this into the description so you can just copy and paste it. I'll put a link for the other video. I'll put a link for the Start All Back software, so you could go download that as well. And then you could have your Quick Launch toolbar back and still have your Windows 11 look. Let's do one other test here. Go back to Control Panel. Find Start All Back. And let's see what happens if we change this to centered. So it's kind of interesting. You still have your taskbar or your Quick Launch items here. Let's get rid of those 2 things again because they're just making it look funky. So you have your centered items here, but you can see how it puts the start button off to the center here, so that's not going to work. So if you use the Start All Back, you're going to have to keep this back on the regular, not centered. All right, well, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.